This is going to be a video tutorial on how to fill text with an image using Adobe Photoshop. I will be using Photoshop 2023 for this. Let me jump over to Photoshop here. Okay, I have Photoshop open now. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to the upper left hand side and I'm going to click on New File. I'm going to click on New File. In the dialog box that opens up, you can go with whatever you want. I'm going to use 1920 by 1080. And then I'm going to go down to the lower left hand corner and I'm going to click on Create. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go off to the Tools panel on the left hand side here and I'm going to click on the Text tool. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Horizontal Type Tool. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go over to my artboard and I'm going to click on my artboard. I'm going to type in my text. You could type whatever text you want to type in there. Then I'm going to go up to my Move tool. I'm going to click on the Move tool. And I'm going to position my text. Now I'm going to double click on my text. And up top here, you could pick the style of font that you want. You're probably better off using a bold type font. And you want to choose the size of your font right here. I'm going with 600 point. I'm going with Myriad Pro. I'm going with bold, 600 points. That's what I'm going with here. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drag my picture into the onto the canvas here. I got a picture in a folder here that I'm just going to drag over and drop in. Now I'm going to size my picture. I'm going to move my picture over a little and I'm going to drag out at the corner. I'm going to put it about like that. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to the Layers panel again and I'm going to right click on my picture layer. The layer that has my picture on it, I'm going to right click and I'm going to select Create Clipping Mask. Create Clipping Mask. And then from here, as long as you're on the Move tool, you could move your image around that's behind the text, position it however you would like. I'm going to have mine about like that there. And if you want to save this as a transparent background PNG, if you just want to save the text here, all you need to do is go back over to that image layer. My image layer is right here. Right click and go up to where it says Export as PNG. I'm going to click on Export as PNG. And in the dialog box that opens up, it'll ask you to name your file. You could put the destination for your file. I'm going to go down to the bottom right hand corner and I'm going to click on Save. Now if I reopen that folder there, and that is how to fill text with an image using Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching.